Hello there, welcome to Blink and Beep. Thanks a lot for choosing to watch this video. In this video, we will quickly find out how the Proffisy TN-2365 cartridge fares in terms of print quality when compared to the original brother TN-2365 toner cartridge. If you are watching this video, then obviously you were also in search of a cheaper option for your printout needs, just like me. The cost of the original brother TN-2365 toner is about 2900 INR, while the Proffisy is available for 899 INR, and they both promise a page yield of up to 2600 pages. But I haven't got to these numbers even with the original toner so far. So for this video, we will focus on facts like the Proffisy toner's compatibility and also test the print quality with couple of test pages. Both of these toners support the same model printers, and here is the list. So the printer we'll be using today is the Brother DCP L2520D. We will now load the Proffisy toner to the toner drum and print the first test page. And now the second test page. So there was no issue loading the Proffisy toner into the toner drum. It is 100% compatible. Now we will load the original brother toner and print the same test pages. Here is the first test page being printed. And now the second. It is time for comparison. Let's compare the first test page for both the toners. The result is actually great. Proffisy print quality is excellent. Now we will look at the second test page as well. My brother toner is actually a bit old, and hence the darker shades looks tad bit dull compared to the Proffisy toner. Proffisy is a good and better cheaper option. I definitely would go for it and recommend as well. But I will have to keep a check on the page yield as well. So I will definitely post my updates on that soon. With that, we come to the end of this video. Hope this was useful and informational to you. Catch you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.